here is the giant knuckle boom crane Z4500, and it is very popular in the market. We can say it's very powerful and majestic look. What are the main uses and features of this crane, Danny?
Okay. Our Z4500 is a 100-ton crane. It's mainly used in the narrow space, and the height have limitation in that condition. Such as in the factory, it's always used to lift the equipment and moving the facility inside of the factory. Like this condition. In the factory, lift the heavy machine, lift it, and then turn around to the place, point to the right place. And you see the roof is very low. The space is so limited. If you will use the mobile crane, usually the boom is very long. It can't lift and extend. So in this space, we can only have this choice.
So we just saw the boom is stretched out very short in the factory. Now we see the boom of this crane is very long in the picture. So what is the purpose of such long boom?
Our boom length totally is 24 meters with 8 extension boom. Why we design the boom so long? Because we want to provide our customer to fit more working conditions. In so many conditions, the longer boom will help us to finish more work. Look at this condition. We need to lift the equipment from the ground and lift it on the beam to mount it. So we need a longer boom. With the longer boom, the maximum lifting height is 27 meters. And in this condition, you can see our crane is lifting a machine inside of the building. Here is the 5th floor. We only have this longer boom can finish this work. Otherwise, the other machine can't do it.
I have seen a lot of equipment in factories, and their environment is very small and crowded inside. So what solutions do we have in this regard?
Yes, for sure. There is normally very narrow space in the factory. The environment is always very complex. Our engineer gives the solution in 2 main points. The first is we balance the lifting weight in all directions. The second is we have the strong extension system. Let's have a look. This is the rear stabilizer. We have 2 rear stabilizers which is extendable. Normally, there is only 1 passageway in the factory. You can park in your truck. So you only can need the lift the machine here, lift it, and rotate it to the other side. Our rear stabilizer, increases the stability at the rear side. We can lift 100 tons here and turn to the other side. On this side, so it requires big lifting capacity also. You can see here, we have the stabilizer here with 2 levels. Because this ball marshal is so limited, we can't extend it out. Or when we fully extend out, the outrigger span will reach to 8 meters. That's very large. So we can lift the heavy load here also. Without the balance weight, we can lift 75 tons in this place. And in addition, over here, We also provide the balance weight option here. With the 20-ton balance weight, we can lift 100 ton here, the same as their side. So it's very convenient for our customer to finish all kinds of work.
So this crane is very large. It must be very eye-catching when driving in the road. So what about its passability?
Okay, our crane designed with the chassis and the crane together is combined very well from our development side. The total height of this truck is only 3.5 meters. It can pass through so many road conditions like the height limitation, like the tunnel, like the old factory door, which the door is very low. And the total length of this crane is 12 meters. This is the shortest length in this kind of product. Okay, Linda.
Okay, Danny. So that's all for the introduction of Z4500.